In this video, I'm going to share how to make money with health and how even beginners are making money fast, even with no previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been working from home full-time for over 20 years now, and this is the simplest way yet I've found to make money. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly what I do and how you can even try this out without spending a dime. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've always been big on health, but it wasn't until recently that I learned a way to make money with it. Lots of money, and it's so simple anyone can do it. Sure, there are all kinds of ways you can make money with health. If you're into traditional business, the brick and mortar kind of thing, gyms can be super profitable, but I want no part of that. After owning several traditional businesses, I'm done with the overhead, employee hassles, and being tied down. I want something to leverage my time and create time freedom too. If you're a trainer or life coach, or maybe a chef specializing in healthy eating, that can be a great way to make money with health too, selling your knowledge or skill, but most of us, including yours truly, can't do that. Affiliate marketing opens up countless opportunities to make money with health. That's where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. Places like ClickBank and Amazon have all kinds of things you can sell and get paid. The challenge with this is that typically they pay out small one-time commissions. And that means you have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant money. That takes a lot of work, a lot of time. And again, there's no leverage here either. You're really just trading your time for dollars. And unless you are already an experienced online marketer, the learning curve can be steep. Well, let me tell you about what I do and how you can do it too. First, it's a really simple home business that anyone can do, even beginners. No previous experience is necessary. Everything is done online, and it only takes a few hours per week at your convenience. I even work this business while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day in this business, and it pays out recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. This business is a way you can leverage your time to create both money and time freedom. I let the online system they give me do all the work to help people find the best health products on the planet, products they are already buying at prices less than what they are already paying, even less than at CVS or Amazon. I don't sell anything. These are the highest quality products that produce life-changing results. The website does the work, the products sell themselves. All I do is send people there. And even though it's super simple, you'll get excellent training and support. Anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. It might be just what you're looking for. And unlike so many online businesses, this one is super affordable. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of overpriced stuff every month just to qualify to get paid. And get this, you don't have to buy anything unless you want to. That's really different. And like I said earlier, you can even test drive the business without spending a dime. So if you want a faster and easier way to make money, I encourage you to take 5 minutes and learn more about what I do to make money with health. Go to my website at wannalivebetter.com. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.